This is a 2006 Ford Freestyle. Plenty of space for what you need. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and a continuous variable transmission. Its top features include a moonroof, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 4-speaker stereo system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a multi-link rear suspension, 17-inch wheels, a rear window defroster, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 48,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a backseat. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Dave Sinclair Ford is dedicated to do everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 7466 South Lindbergh in St. Louis.